In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted Excel worksheet. If you've ever accidentally deleted an important worksheet from your Excel file, don't worry. There's a fairly straightforward way to retrieve it. So, let's get started. First things first, you need to open the Excel file that contained the worksheet you accidentally deleted. It's important to open the correct file to make sure you're accessing the version history for the right document. Once you have the file open, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of your Excel window. There, you will see the File option. Click on File, and a menu will appear on the left side of your screen. In this menu, you'll notice an option labeled Version History. Go ahead and click on this option. By accessing the version history, you open up a chronological list of past autosaves of your document. This feature is incredibly useful and often a lifesaver for situations exactly like this. Once you've clicked on Version History, you'll see a list of different versions of your document. Each version will have a timestamp, clearly indicating when it was last saved. Take a moment to scroll through these versions and locate one that you believe contains the worksheet you want to recover. The timestamps can be a good guide to help you pinpoint when the changes you need might have been made. After you've found the appropriate version, it's crucial you double-check before proceeding, as this version will effectively roll back parts of your document to a previous state. Once you're confident, click on the selected version. Doing so will allow you to review its contents in detail to ensure it's truly the one you're looking for. If you're ready to proceed, you can now move to the next step, which involves saving this version as a separate file. Look for the option on your screen labeled Save a Copy. Clicking this will allow you to save the recovered version without altering the current document. This step is important because it maintains your current work while also restoring the lost worksheet. Choose a location for saving this file so that it's easy for you to find and access in the future. Naming the file something descriptive could also aid in distinguishing it from the other files you may have. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your deleted worksheet with ease. This recovery process is a valuable technique to add to your Excel expertise, ensuring that you're prepared should this ever happen again. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and how-tos. Until next time, take care.